If your 2017 Tucson backup camera is showing a black screen or flickering, we can fix that in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 85% of these failures are caused by water getting into the camera lens assembly itself. Before you buy a new part, let's determine if it's the camera, the fuse, or a software glitch. Start by using a pen to hit the tiny reset button on your head unit to clear any software bugs. Next, check the 10-amp multimedia fuse and ensure your reverse lights are actually turning on when you shift. If those are fine, the internal seal on the camera has likely failed due to exposure to the elements. Doing the swap yourself can save you hundreds compared to the hefty markup at the dealership. As you can see, the labor costs often outweigh the price of the camera itself during a professional install. To replace it, you will need to remove the interior liftgate panel to reach the mounting bolts behind the camera. Use plastic pry tools to avoid scratching your paint and apply dielectric grease to the new connection. Remember to test the video feed before you put all the plastic trim pieces back together. With the new camera installed, your Tucson is ready for the road. Subscribe for more DIY automotive guides.